Welcome to Athens, ladies and gentlemen. I'm here at Athens Backpackers. This is where I stayed for last night or so. I cannot promise you it's luxurious, but I can promise you you're gonna have a restful night of sleep. One of the reasons I chosen this location is because it's roughly 30 seconds from the metro station. I'm not even kidding, 30 seconds. And also 5 minutes away from the entrance of Acropolis. So let's go and take a look to see what they have to offer. So when you first check in, you'll notice how friendly the staff is. They really try to help you out rather than try to sell you things. And they offer free walking tours. There's different kinds of tours they offer in the summertime. They can help you book a taxi and also give you the best advice they can to get around the city and about Greece in general. And what's more is you get a free shot of traditional Greek drink called Rousseau in the pub they have in the other building. With that being said, let's check out the lovely common area. She's amazing. She's just amazing. She's the best cleaner on this planet. I declare that. And this is where you're gonna hang out. She cooked your breakfast as well. Free breakfast in this. Awesome.
Respect you guys.
Make sure you tip her well. So anyways, this is a lounge area as you can see. There's free tea and coffee 24 hours a day. And this is a comfortable area where you can relax. This is another lounge, but also a luggage store area. So you can leave your luggage if you are checking out early and come back and pick up at another time. Just in case once in a million chance you've got your iPad or iPhone or all these gadgets, don't worry, they have a computer for you to use. And there's also high-speed internet throughout the building. So this is my bed. It's just being remade because I'm checking out right now. It's very comfortable. Linens and towels includes your accommodations. And as well, every single bed has a reading light as well as outlet for you to plug in your accessories. Now one of the great things about dorms here, they all come with a balcony for you to get some fresh air and some sunlight first thing in the morning. So every single dorm room has its own hot water showers 24 hours a day and a very clean toilet, and it's been cleaned every single day by the cleaners. So I did have a restful night here and I really enjoyed my stay, and I think you too. It's not luxurious, but it does the job. With that being said, I hope you come, stay for yourself, and write your own reviews. Have a safe and amazing trip here in Athens.